Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If this is your first time, you can click the like and subscribe button and also give me a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the notification button so that anytime I post a new video, you'll be the first person to see it and watch it. Okay, today I'll be walking you through how you can set up your laptop for web development and also your mobile application, your mobile phone or your mobile device for web development. So for your laptop, you can just go ahead to download VSCode. So I already searched VSCode here. You can click download button, which will take you to this page. And this page you can download the VSCode for the operating system you're currently using. So if you're using Windows, you can download this. If you're using Linux operating system, you can download this. And if you're using Mac OS, you can download this particular type. I already downloaded mine, as you can see here. I already have it here. So just go ahead to download yours. After downloading, there's one more thing I need you to do is for you to install an extension called Live Server. The Live Server will help us to see our changes immediately when we make any of them, and you get to see them immediately on your browser. So just go ahead for you to install Live Server extension. Just move to the extension icon, which is this icon here. By clicking it, you get to see this, and you have this input field here, right? You just go ahead to search for Live Server. Don't forget to connect your machine to the internet because this particular search requires you to be connected to the internet. Right after searching, you get to see this live server extension here. Click and install the live server. I've already installed mine. That's what you're seeing on install here. But if it's the first time, you get to see install button here. Just click on the install button. It will install the live server and activate it for you. After that, let's go ahead to test our live server and see if it's actually working. So I have like a demo code here, which we'll use to test our live server. So I have, let me just change this to hello. Yeah, let me just change this to hello. Right. So for you to be able to open this document with your live server, just go to the file, right click on the file, and you'll see open with live server. When you click on this, it will open that page on your browser, which we have here. So let's go back to our text editor and make some changes. Uh, Let me add word here and save it. Automatically, you get to see here, right? So this is the way the live server works. It renders your changes immediately on your browser. So that's the reason why we'll be using live server to write our code and make some changes for us to see it on our browser. The next step is for the mobile users, right? If you're using mobile phone to do web development, I will recommend two editor for you. One for the iOS user. So if you're using iOS, just go to coderapp.com, and they have like a very simple application for HTML and CSS and JavaScript. So you can just go ahead to download for iPhone if you're using iPhone, for iPad if you're using iPad. After downloading it, you can just install it and move ahead with your development. Then for Android user, we have different type of text editor, but I would advise you to go with Droid Edit, which is like a free HTML or text editor that you can use on your Android device. After installing your Android text editor, you're good to go for HTML and CSS development. So let's come back to this text editor. So I'll be walking you through how you can use this code you're seeing here to build website. They are called HTML code, right? So you get to learn that in the
It's
next
1
video.
o'clock.
So if you know you've not subscribed to my YouTube channel, don't forget to click the like and subscribe button, and also hit the thumbs up and the notification button so that you get to see the next video I'll be posting. Stay tuned.